Hello guys, and a very big welcome to my channel. My name is Lucas and you are watching Let's Talk Tech. Now today's little bit of content is all to do with this PowerBase 51cm 20v Cordless hedge cutter. Now sadly this was meant to be an unboxing and review all in one, but because of the weather today, which is absolutely bucketing it down with cats and dogs, today I'm afraid it will be just the unboxing on this guy here. So anyhow, let's crack on with it so we don't waste any of your time, because you might be lucky enough to have sunshine where you are, or be out in your garden, or wanting to be out in your garden. Now straight out of the box you will get your instruction manual, and then we have the charger itself, which is this guy here. We obviously will get a battery with it, which is, the battery should be a, where are we, 2.5 amp battery, which is this guy here. And the main part of the, or of everything, is the hedge cutter itself. Now, can I be honest with you, this actually set me back £69.99. The overall quality isn't that bad. It's reasonably light. Let's fire the battery in. Let's see if we have any juicing actually. Yep. It's half decent. I will be honest with you guys, it's not too bad at all. Trying to do this the best way as possible so that you guys have some sort of idea what you will be buying. Now, it's like I said, sadly I can't actually do the review on this today because it is constantly raining. We're in the middle of summer for crying out loud, and I've had nothing but rain. But as soon as I manage to do a proper review on this, I have a garden which is just over the road, and I have also my garden as well, and both hedges need to be cut. So it's going to be put through the mill, so to speak. But anyhow guys, there you have it. I do apologise that this is very, very short and sweet. But what can I do? Anyhow, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And all comments are welcome, as I always say. And I look forward to you guys watching when we actually do the overall review on this hedge cutter. Catch you then.